Hey there, health warriors! Are you tired of boring salads that leave you hungry and disappointed? Well, it's time to change the game. In today's video, we're diving into 10 delicious, satisfying, and fat-burning salads that not only taste amazing, they actually help you shed those extra pounds. Each salad on this list is packed with metabolism-boosting ingredients, loaded with fiber and nutrients, and low in calories, so you can lose weight without feeling deprived. Now grab your forks, and let's get into it. Salad number 1, spicy avocado and chickpea crunch salad. First up, we have the spicy avocado and chickpea crunch salad. This bowl is a flavor bomb with metabolism-boosting spices and filling fiber. What's in it? 1 ripe avocado, healthy fats. 1 cup roasted chickpeas, plant protein and fiber. Mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, red onion, jalapeno slices, lemon juice and chili flakes for dressing. Fat-burning power. Chickpeas help regulate blood sugar and reduce cravings, while the spice from jalapenos kicks up your metabolism. Avocado keeps you full and satisfied longer. Number 2, grilled chicken kale Caesar. Craving Caesar salad but trying to lose weight? Try this lightened up version with grilled chicken and kale. What's in it? Grilled chicken breast, which is a lean protein. Chopped kale providing fiber and detox benefits. Homemade Greek yogurt Caesar dressing. A sprinkle of parmesan. Whole grain croutons or roasted chickpeas. The fat-burning power comes from the high protein content that supports muscle growth and burns more calories during digestion, while kale helps reduce inflammation and belly bloat. Salad number 3, berry spinach detox salad. If you like a little sweetness, the berry spinach detox salad is your new favorite. What's in it? Baby spinach, sliced strawberries, blueberries, walnuts, feta cheese, balsamic vinaigrette. The fat-burning power lies in the berries, which are low in sugar and high in antioxidants that fight fat storage. Walnuts provide healthy omega-3s that help manage hunger hormones. Salad number 4, Mediterranean quinoa power bowl. For a hearty, satisfying meal, this Mediterranean quinoa power salad has it all. What's in it? Cooked quinoa, which is a great source of plant protein and fiber. Cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, red onion, crumbled feta, lemon olive oil dressing. The fat-burning power comes from quinoa being a complete protein that keeps you full for hours. The Mediterranean ingredients help fight inflammation and support heart health, which is crucial for weight loss. Salad number 5, fat-blasting cabbage slaw. This crunchy cabbage slaw is super low in calories and helps fire up digestion. What's in it? Shredded green and purple cabbage, grated carrots, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, olive oil, pumpkin seeds. Fat-burning power. Cabbage is rich in sulfur compounds that detox your liver. A clean liver burns fat more efficiently. Apple cider vinegar helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce belly fat. Bonus tips. Now, if you're on a journey to feel lighter, more energized, and finally comfortable in your own skin, I want to share something that's been changing lives quietly but powerfully. It's called Mitolyn, a natural supplement that supports fat burning from the inside out. If you've been struggling no matter how healthy you eat, this might just be the breakthrough your body's been waiting for. You can check it out through the link below. Salad number 6, spicy shrimp taco salad. Love tacos but trying to cut carbs? Try this spicy shrimp taco salad instead. What's in it? Grilled shrimp with taco seasoning, romaine lettuce, diced tomatoes, avocado, corn, which is optional, and a cilantro lime Greek yogurt dressing. Fat-burning power. Shrimp is low in fat and high in protein. Taco seasoning, especially cayenne, boosts thermogenesis, your body's fat-burning heat production. Salad number 7, Thai peanut crunch salad. Want something exotic and satisfying? Try this Thai peanut crunch salad. What's in it? Shredded cabbage, julienne carrots, bell peppers, green onions, cilantro, crushed peanuts, light peanut lime dressing. The fat-burning power of this salad is quite impressive. High fiber keeps your digestion moving smoothly. The healthy fats from peanuts help regulate hunger, while ginger and lime support detoxification. Salad number 8, apple walnut slim salad. This is a sweet and savory combo that works wonders for your waistline. What's in it? Mixed greens, thinly sliced apples, crumbled goat cheese, walnuts, and a lemon honey vinaigrette. The fat-burning power here comes from apples, which are low in calories but high in fiber and water, helping you stay full. Walnuts reduce stress-related cravings and improve metabolism. Salad number 9, black bean corn fiesta bowl. This one's perfect if you're looking for plant-based power and bold flavor. What's in it? Black beans, corn, cherry tomatoes, diced avocado, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, and cumin dressing. Fat-burning power: black beans are high in fiber and resistant starch, which supports fat loss. Corn adds crunch and volume without too many calories. Salad number 10, zesty lemon tuna detox salad, ending our list with a clean, protein-packed detox salad that helps blast belly fat. What's in it? Tuna in water and drained, baby spinach or arugula, sliced cucumber, red bell pepper, fresh dill, and of course lemon juice plus olive oil. Fat-burning power. Tuna is a lean protein that curbs cravings. Lemon supports liver detox while cucumber is hydrating and de-bloating. Salad hacks for maximum fat burn. Let's go over a few salad hacks to help you maximize the fat-burning benefits of your salads. Add a lean protein to every salad. It keeps you full and boosts metabolism. Use vinegar-based or Greek yogurt dressings instead of creamy, high-calorie ones. Load up on fiber-rich veggies. Aim for at least 3 different colors per salad. Add spices like cayenne, turmeric, or ginger. They naturally rev up your metabolism. Drink water before and after eating to enhance digestion and fat burning. Also, remember that portion control matters. Even healthy fats like avocado and nuts can add up quickly in calories if you go overboard. Many people have seen amazing results just by adding Mitolyn to their diet. They've lost inches, boost metabolism, burn fat faster. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. Which of these salads are you going to try first? Drop your favorite in the comments below, and if you have your own fat-burning salad recipe, share it with us. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more weight loss-friendly meals, and share this with a friend who's trying to get healthier too. Thanks for watching, and remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With the right ingredients, your salad can be the most satisfying part of your weight loss journey. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and stay confident.